Hi guys, welcome back. Made a heap of progress on the car that you probably wouldn't have seen from the last video, only because the camera died. So I need to buy a spare battery so I can continue to record. But yeah, as I said, fair bit of progress. I'll walk you through what I've done. Most of the interior is out. I've just got the wiring loom to pull out. So I'll just be keeping bits and pieces of it, mainly just for the tail light or tail light plugs, but otherwise, yeah, it's pretty much done. Today's the 12th of December, so I need to drop it off on the 20th. So just walk you through what I've done so far and what's left. So other part of today is I'll try and pull the window motors out as well as the glass, just because I need to cut some of the door out, just because I'm going to have the cage actually extend out towards the door. But yeah, otherwise, you've seen the back. Here's under the dash. It's all out, which you wouldn't have seen. It's got the steering column there for the moment. But I'm just going to run the factory pedal setup because it's quite comfortable driving position, so there's no need to change it. Yeah, it's pretty much all out. As I said, engine and gearbox will stay in for the moment. It's not priority, but I'll hopefully get the window motors out and the glass, and yeah. Show you around the back here. So all this down here will eventually go. I'll cut it all out, pretty much say from about here back. I'm going to cut off, and then I think pretty much from about say this edge or that edge will all be gone. But yeah, otherwise let's get into it. Alright guys, so the recording stopped once again, battery flat, but pretty much finished everything. Got the steering wheel back in as it needs to be there for when putting in the roll cage. I need to put my seat in, but I think I'll get some brackets first, or I might even cut that bit out and just put some plates on either side of the tunnel and the door seal here, just so I can run a bit of square channel just to drop the seat, because they are pretty low as it is, but I like to be lower in the car, as low as I can be, like seating position wise. But yeah, other than that's in place now. Got the windows out, which I didn't think I wouldn't, but managed to get them out. I'm going to keep the standard door handle both in and outside of the car, and then I'm going to cut away the middle section here. Then just put some sort of insert in there, or an aluminium door card. But yeah, as you can see, all the wiring's out. Let's go on the other side. I took the moulds off the windows. That window will stay there, but eventually come out. It doesn't have to come out for the roll cage, so it can stay there. And then passenger side. So quite clean. So that tube did run all the way across and finish here. I'll just cut it in half, got it out of the way. But yeah, just wanted to put that back, so I've got the factory steering positioning, because they are quite comfy to drive off the bat, so I might change it. But yeah, other than that, I think that's it for tonight, and pretty much ready to go to the roll cage. What's coming next is obviously the roll cage. It's ready to go. In the meantime, I'm going to order a couple more things, so that when I do have the cage done, I can get straight into it and start fitting everything else up, or test fitting everything else up before I paint it. But yeah, I'll have the parts up online soon, so you can check them out and buy them if you want. I still have got the seats as well, the driver and passenger seats, which I'll put up just after that. I just need to get some good photos and then cover them up. But yeah, other than that, if you want to know any more, just like, subscribe, share, something like that, I think they say. And we'll see you on the next one.